What is up? Welcome back to another episode. This one, I almost forgot to start recording, so as you can see, I had already removed the speaker, the subwoofer, and a bunch of panels, and I raced the car so I can do that. But so today, we're going to be installing Underglow on the Mini Cooper. I got the driver, and we're going to be doing that. So I'm not gonna bore you with step by step. I'm gonna put a time lapse, and then you guys can watch it. Peace out. All right, so we are back. We have finally, I mean, my battery died. I was taking a big time lapse, but so I had to drill a couple holes in the bumper because it was just too narrow, so it doesn't burn it because of the actual exhaust is too close. So as you can see, I have to drill a hole so you can guard it on the bumper. And then I don't mind my spaghetti. I'm gonna tidy it up. But I have here, and I have the relay, which is on now, and I have connected to the battery, and let's just power it up for the first time. Brian, you want to do the owner?
Yes, sir.
All right, so let's see. Why are we not getting power? Oh, actually, maybe that might have to do with the controller. Let's scan for the controller. Let's see. Hold on, let me switch hands. New device. Something made a noise, right?
Yeah.
Device. No, don't do anything. Add device. Oh, there we go. Connecting. On. And it's still not powering on. Alright, so we're back. I feel stupid, but so yeah. The reason why it didn't turn on is because I forgot that my battery banks did not have the little plates that share the power between each other. So now that it is, we should be good to power it up. So Brian, you want to try that again?
Yes.
Woo! What up? Woo! Woo! All right, so we have power on that one. Gotta check why not on that one. But it's working. Let's go. There we go. Courtney, hey. I want to say hi to my family who doesn't have a TV.
So you can see the...
And what did you do?
Nothing. He hasn't done anything.
Check.
Literally. All has he been doing is putting his hands on his pocket and saying like,
And nodding his head.
yeah.
Yeah.
Then asking questions to stall me. And there you have it. He finally finished it. Brian, you want to turn it on?
Yeah.
So we can see what the end result was. It was a pain to run it along the wheel wells and stuff, but here we have it. Hello, sir. Would you like some Underglow?
I would gap all of you.
Okay, let's go. Whoa, you got already NOS? Damn, bro, you fast. We gotta do something about it because it's showing, but at least it's very bright. There you go. There you have it.